Today we're going to be looking at where the battery is located on this Seadoo. This is a 2013 Seadoo GTX 155. The battery location is also the same for the 2009 to 2015 GTX with the intelligent suspension and the RXCs with intelligent suspension. So if you have this model, especially the S with the body with the suspension, you just, if you're looking for your battery, you lift up this right here. Latch here, latch on the other side. This comes up and your battery's in there. Okay, it sits up like this. And the battery's right in here, and also your fuses sit right there. There's your fuses.